Let's get down to the New York Stock Exchange, check in with Jim Cramer. Jim, the deal news of the morning, Activision being bought by Microsoft. I mean, you look at this company. It's a company that was run by Bobby Kotick for 31 years next month. If you go back to 1991, Bobby and a small group of investors bought Activision Blizzard out of bankruptcy for $500,000. That company, based on this deal today, is now valued at $68.7 billion. What do you think about the deal?
It's just a wow, and it's big. I've known Bobby for 35 years, and I've always felt he was a genius. When I met him, I said, oh, my God, this guy is going to do big things. He did do big things. Obviously, we can talk about problems that are going on, well documented by the Wall Street Journal. But I think this is about Microsoft getting really premier first-party content to go with their big suite of Xbox. Xbox has more than 100 million people. I mean, Xbox offers some games, but really nothing important. Becky, you and I both know this is the one company that could really get away with it. I think that would be a hard time for Facebook, hard time for Apple, now Meta, a hard time for Apple, hard time for Google. But Microsoft flies under the radar screen. So I think this is going to be a go. A great job for Bobby, for shareholders.
In terms of what it means just from the Meta perspective, we've been trying to figure that out, Jim. And, you know, it's a brand new world, bold new world. What will this mean when you kind of pile that on top of the company?
Well, look, I mean, this is next year's going to be the year, not this year, although people think, for AR. My problem with it is we don't have enough devices. We don't have enough. There's just the graphic cards that NVIDIA has make it so that you can build on it. We got to write on it. I think that Bobby's team can write on it. But you have to draw this stuff out. And I think that ultimately Microsoft wants a gigantic subscription revenue stream, and they're going to get it. You're going to get a virtual reality revenue stream that is a subscription business that is so sticky, like LinkedIn. I think it's genius for both of them. It's great that Bobby got this, put behind him, making a lot of money for shareholders. And Microsoft needs the more subscription businesses, the better. I've always loved the Xbox franchise, by the way. So I think, look, we'll talk with both. I think it's a tour de force deal that will get done. And I think that when you look at the overall market, it's out of sync with the kind of deal that we're seeing this morning.